All 4 of them?
Did any of y'all know that Mountain Dew makes booze? They make booze. Oh shit. Yo. Brad.
Yo.
I think we gotta go.
What that?
It's Car Audio Championship time.
Oh shit.
Let's go. We have to leave. Oh, my head hurts. Oh, Jesus.
Yes, that's a banana. Dear God, just kill us now. Or give us booze, please. Oh, I think I'm gonna vomit. You're gonna spew. Come on. All these people who don't drink, you're having such a great morning. Yeah, sober people, ew, gross. So lame. Disgusting. There's no way to live. I feel bad for people who don't drink because this is the best they're gonna feel for the whole day. Yeah. That's right. It's only up from here, right? Right? Please tell me yes. Please. Tell me yes. Please tell me it gets better. This is the worst of it. Better than this.
Do you have Truly as a sponsor now?
Did I just wreck that? Yes.
You can't see me, I just see Truly. You need a better setup.
A better camera? I actually have a really nice camera, the Sony ZV-1. I just didn't bring it. You ready? Am I? Wait, is that a question? Wait, are you ready? Yeah. Are you judging?
Yes.
Do you have your own USB?
Why is Merle in the background? This is bullshit.
Just tell the people what's wrong.
This is your show now. Since every finals a different red.
Just one. Well, it took 3, I think.
3 shades of red.
So when you buy it from the dealer, how many options of red do they
No,
have?
they're just
It's
the
like-
door.
it's
Just
like
the
when-
door doesn't belong to the system.
It's like this red, that red, that red, and that red.
I need it.
Oh, still. Yeah, but you still have hybrid.
You notice?
Oh, regardless. Those are probably better in that location, really.
That's what it is. Somebody brought me a coffee because, quote, it looks like you need it. It's like almost 10 o'clock. We're way past coffee time. It's about time for Monster and Tito's, I think.
It's almost game time.
It's almost game time. Are you going across the street? Where's the camera? Oh, okay. Pickle vodka.
This is our life now.
This is what happens when you send him to the store to get ice. He comes back with pickle vodka. I can't even say it without gagging.
It's so good when it hits your lips.
Oh God. Oh God.
It's not good.
Oh Lord.
It's not good hot.
That's not good. Oh.
It's not good hot.
That's terrible.
It's not good at all. Still better than watermelon kiwi Truly though.
It's hot
It's not
in
good.
more ways than one.
It's not good at all.
Oh Jesus.
It's not even a little bit good. So bad.
This is what happens
So bad.
with SQ shows. Is like a judge comes at like first thing in the morning, like 8 in the morning. And the next one's not until like noon. But you have to sit here. Like, we're married to this fucking spot. We're married to this spot because you can't be away from your vehicle. So what else? What do people do?
Yeah,
What do people who don't drink do? And the other thing is, you're not gonna like walk around and get demos because everyone's waiting to get judged. So they don't want anybody in their car. You can walk around and like look at their shit, but like I don't know what other people
laugh
do.
at their sobriety.
Yeah. You're sober.
Losers.
Oh, anyway, check back in with y'all later. Apparently the pickle vodka. The pickle vodka. He said it helped. He said it worked. It helped. So, what is this? Texas Craft sour pickle flavored vodka. Highly recommend for hangover cure. It did its thing. It did its thing. Oh my god.
Ready to take on the day now. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day.
Oh my god. Welcome to our world. We should just live.
Dude,
we should just live stream
so
this.
Walgreens is not across the street, by the way.
No?
Yeah,
How
it's
far
like
was it?
a mile down the road.
A mile?
I almost fell out in Walgreens. Like, I was winded walking there. I was not okay. I had to lay down. in Walgreens.
Farmers walking ice back to the show.
Yeah, my traps were on fire from carrying fucking all this shit back.
Farmers walk.
So you're welcome, by the way.
Thank you, sir.
For the pickle vodka.
Pickle vodka and ice and things. So yeah, welcome to hour 2 of sitting around doing nothing, waiting on judges to come hear the filthiest car in the entire show. And trust me when I tell you, this is absolutely the filthiest car in the show. Is there a filthier car here?
Like filthy in a good way. Filthy.
Obviously in a good way.
Awesomely filthy.
Awesomely filthy. It is.
Everybody takes this way too serious.
There's like people still wiping on their cars here. Also, we're the only ones drinking.
Yeah.
So that was Adam. He's the owner of Karma Mobile Audio, one of the 3 owners, I guess. I don't know the other 2. And then we were just talking about his new 6x9 mid bass. And I told him I could probably make it do a 150 in the CRX, and he said that, I'm paraphrasing here, but I feel like he said I couldn't tear it up.
He doesn't think you could fuck it up. He challenged you.
That is like,
that's
some challenge accepted type shit. So we're gonna do 150 with Adam's 6x9, or it will die trying. It will die trying. I think maybe it'll do a 50 before it dies, but it's definitely gonna die. 51 maybe. I think maybe 51. Should we put it in the base bucket? We'll do it in a 5-gallon bucket.
Got it.
6x9, a by 9. I think it's at the same cone area as an 8.
It's a little bit more than 8.
Does anybody know the calculation for an ellipse?
Oh, ask Google.
I feel like I've calculated that before because I was making an elliptical port one time, and I needed to calculate the surface area of an elliptical port that wound up turning into a vagina. Maybe call it the Vagiport. I'm pretty sure it's like almost exactly the same cone area as an 8. It's what? 36.
I don't know what the fuck you just said.
Hey Siri. Everybody that's going to be watching this is going to be screaming the formula out like we're fucking
220 square centimeters for a 6x9, which
what is that in America?
I don't fucking know. I can't even.
What's a centimeter? 2.54?
I quit. I give up.
I can't. Do you need me to go get my laptop? Can you not Google
I
how
can't
to
find.
calculate the area of an ellipse?
I mean, I can figure out how to do it. I'm just trying to find the answer. I don't want to know how to figure it out because I don't want to fucking do math.
What is the cone area of a 6x9? How tough is that?
It doesn't come up with anything. It says it's similar to 8.
We've established.
All right, so 34.1 square inches is a 6x9. Remember that, 34.1.
No, well, an 8 is like 50. There's no way. All right, so it's smaller.
No, it's
No,
not.
34.
There's no way it's fucking smaller.
Yeah, this is like a 6.5. 6.5 is like 35. 30.
Google is fucking stupid. Google them is shit.
Dude, you left a little.
That was you.
That was you.